Someone once asked, how do you integrate Discord with Asana? And in this video, I'm going to explain to you how you can integrate Discord with Asana. Now, you're not able to do this directly from within Asana or within Discord, but you can use a third-party application such as Zapier to do that. And I'm going to explain to you step by step. So if you get lost, simply go ahead and pause the video so that you can see the steps below. So you want to go ahead and quickly sign up for a free Zapier account. You will need a Zapier account to do that. And once you sign up for a Zapier account, you will need to create a new Zap, right? So once you create a new Zap, you can set up the trigger and you want to use Asana as the trigger app. So you will select once you select Asana as a trigger app, you will need to create a new task, right? So the new task will allow you to sign into your Asana account when it's prompted, and Asana will then it will select your workspace and continue. You'll need to test the trigger, of course, to ensure that it's working. So you'll need to pull in some data there. Then the next step is going to be for you to set the action, and the action will be for you to choose the discard action. And this is going to allow you to, then you'll need to select the action that you want to be performed, such as to send a message to a channel or a message. Then that is going to sign into your Discord account and authorize the connection. Then from there, select the server and the channel where you want the message to send to, right? From there, you want to customize the message, of course, that you want to be sent, and you want to go ahead and test it. And then from there, you can publish the Zap. So it is a pretty straightforward process. It might be a little tedious at first. So I recommend that you go ahead and pause the video or just simply take the opportunity to Google how to integrate this card with Asana, and you'll be able to find this directly from Google. So I just want to go ahead and share this with you. I've been asked about it, and I wanted to take the time to share the steps how you can easily achieve that. With that said, guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope this was useful. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a nice day.